ABC comes into so many things, not just do, re, mi, and how to read. It's also about, first aid and things like that, but especially in Pilates, we still use the ABC. Your A is for your airway, okay? You want to breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth, and the reason why we sound like funny little old steam engines when we're breathing out is because we want to engage the core, and as you exhale hard, you will feel your core engaging, which is really important because we want to make ourselves aware of the fact that your muscles are working all the time. B is for balance, and unless you're Libran, you should have some in your life, and your core is where all your balance comes from. So the breathing into the section becomes the second B for your balance, but it's all about the core. This section here as to what happens with your back, and back issues are the one things that are going to really mess you up as you get older. So get that under control, and that's what the other C is about, control. Pilates was originally called contrology, and you don't have to be a control freak to do it, but it certainly does help. Thank you for giving me a minute, and if you liked it, well, please do hit like and subscribe, and don't feel shy. Comment. Let us know what you'd like to see, how we can help you. And don't forget that soon, if you do like it enough, I'll be asking you to give me 15 minutes. We'll see you there.